Hello, today's topic.
Hotel.
Do you have a reservation? Do you have a reservation? Do you have a reservation? I need to check in. I need to check in. I need to check in. Can we get a room with a view? Can we get a room with a view? Can we get a room with a view? She's booking a suite. She's booking a suite. She's booking a suite. He's asking for extra pillows. He's asking for extra pillows. He's asking for extra pillows. Let's grab our room keys. Let's grab our room keys. Let's grab our room keys. We need to unpack our luggage. We need to unpack our luggage. We need to unpack our luggage. Are there any available upgrades? Are there any available upgrades? Are there any available upgrades? I'm going to call room service. I'm going to call room service. I'm going to call room service. She's arranging airport transfers. She's arranging airport transfers. She's arranging airport transfers. Do you offer complimentary breakfast? Do you offer complimentary breakfast? Do you offer complimentary breakfast? I'm looking for the fitness center. I'm looking for the fitness center. I'm looking for the fitness center. He's using the hotel's Wi-Fi. He's using the hotel's Wi-Fi. He's using the hotel's Wi-Fi. Let's explore the amenities. Let's explore the amenities. Let's explore the amenities. Can you recommend a nearby restaurant? Can you recommend a nearby restaurant? Can you recommend a nearby restaurant? I need fresh towels. I need fresh towels. I need fresh towels. She's arranging a wake up call. She's arranging a wake up call. She's arranging a wake up call. We should inquire about late check out. We should inquire about late checkout. We should inquire about late checkout. Do you provide laundry services? Do you provide laundry services? Do you provide laundry services? I am going To use the swimming pool. I'm going to use the swimming pool. I'm going to use the swimming pool. He's relaxing in the hotel lounge. He's relaxing in the hotel lounge. He's relaxing in the hotel lounge. Let's order from the room service menu. Let's order from the room service menu. Let's order from the room service menu. Are pets allowed in the hotel? Are pets allowed in the hotel? Are pets allowed in the hotel? I need to borrow a hairdryer. I need to borrow a hairdryer. I need to borrow a hairdryer. She's requesting a taxi. She's requesting a taxi. She's requesting a taxi. Do you have a map of the area? Do you have a map of the area? Do you have a map of the area? I'm going to book a spa treatment. I'm going to book a spa treatment. I'm going to book a spa treatment. He's filling out the guest feedback form. He's filling out the guest feedback form. He's filling out the guest feedback form. Let's ask for a city tour. Let's ask for a city tour. Let's ask for a city tour. Are there any special offers available? Are there any special offers available? Are there any special offers available?
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.